Watch this video and learn how to draw Artie from the Artie Show. Wow!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello.
Hello, Artie. That was a nice hello.
Hello.
Are you happy today?
Artie, very happy.
Are you ready to do a drawing today?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what we're going to draw, Artie?
I will move.
Well, did you look in the mirror this morning?
Yeah.
Well, that's what we're going to draw.
Yeah.
We're going to draw you, Artie.
Yay. Happy. Artie, happy.
Greetings, Artie!
What's up, Artie?
Hi, Betty. Hi, Mikey. Okay, Artie, are you ready to start drawing yourself? This is going to be fun.
Hey, Betty, I wonder what Artie's gonna create today.
I'm sure it will be fabulous.
Well, Artie, you have big, beautiful eyes. So let's start by drawing your eyes. We'll actually start with the pupils.
Pupils.
Yes, pupils. That's what the inner part of your eye is called. It's called a pupil. So we'll draw a little circle with a tiny little V shape cut out of the circle, or if you like, missing from the circle, and then shade it in black. That's right, Artie, do another one. Remember the little V piece and shade it in black. Now you have two pupils.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
Now let's draw half a circle around those pupils, Artie. So first start on the left, go around, but don't draw a whole circle, just draw half, and shade it in quite thick and black. Keep going round, it's got to be half a circle, remember? Little bit more. It's good to take your time and draw the eye portion of your drawing very carefully, because eyes are sometimes the most important part of a drawing. Okay, that's half a circle around your left eye. Now, Artie, should we draw your right eye?
Okay.
Do the same again, just draw half a circle and make it quite a thick line. And take your time, be careful. Do a really nice, careful job, Artie. After all, this is a drawing of you. Just thicken up that last portion of the eye. That's it. Make it look like it's the same thickness all the way around. Great job, Artie. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quick, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw your nose, Artie. You have a lovely oval button-shaped nose.
Button.
Yes, your nose is sort of like a cute little button.
Okay.
Now let's draw the bottom part of your eyes. Connect the thick line with a thinner line from the bottom to the top. That's it. Now you have a right eye. Let's do the same on the left. Now go and grab one of those thinner pens this time. Yes, that one. Take the lid off. Now we're going to draw a little circle inside the eye using a thinner marker pen. That's perfect, Artie. Now let's do the same inside the right eye. Now you have two beautiful eyes and a cute little button nose.
Can you tell what it's gonna be, Betty?
Not yet.
Now, Artie, let's draw your mouth. You have a lovely wavy shaped mouth. So start off on the left, then curl up, curl down, and curl up again. That's a little wave shape. A little line on the end and another little line on the other end. Let's show your mouth open, Artie. Draw a big round half circle showing that your mouth is wide open. You're probably laughing or smiling knowing you. How about drawing your tongue? You have such a cute pink heart-shaped tongue, Artie. That's it. Now you're definitely smiling or laughing. Draw a line down from beside your eye to beside your mouth. That's the right side of your head. Now let's do the same on the left side. Draw a line down from the left side of the eye, around.
This is making me so happy.
Me too.
Let's draw the bottom part of your face, Artie. Come down, leave a little space for your chin, and then on the other side come down and around under your mouth. And let's draw the chin now. Connect the two. There you go, now you have a chin. It's time to draw your cute little ears. Let's draw a tiny little ear on the right and then a bigger ear around that. That's it. Let's do the same on the left, Artie. First draw a little ear and then draw a larger ear around. Very good. It's beginning to look like you, Artie. Dance break? You want a dance break? But we're in the middle of drawing you. Okay, come on.
Blue and red and yellow, which one will it be?
What about black and white? Tell me, what do you see?
Blue and red and yellow, who will you be?
Use your imagination. Come take a ride inside the color wheel.
I said to her, dance is my life, Joe. 10. Artie, you weren't even in that dance break. And it wasn't even a dance break, it was a song break. But Mikey and Betty, you did a really great job. Okay, come on, let's carry on and finish this drawing. Let's draw your eyelids, Artie. Continue the circle around at the top on both sides. That's it.
That's fantastic.
Wow.
Using a thinner pen, let's draw all the way around the eye, creating the eyelid. It's starting to really look like you, Artie, but there's one thing missing. Your big, beautiful hair. We've got to draw your hair, Artie. Let's draw a sort of upside-down V shape across your forehead, but instead of a straight line, we'll do lots of little jagged lines so that it looks like hair. Now you have big, bushy hair, Artie, so let's keep that jaggedy-jiggedy line going all the way around, all the way across, and all the way along the top. Your hair is a little bit crazy, Artie, but we love it. Just a few more zigzag shapes, and I think you have a full head of hair. It looks pretty finished to me, Artie. What do you think? You finished? Well, I know one colour that you're going to be using when you colour this in. The colour orange.
What this drawing needs is...
Some color.
Wow, Artie, what a great job. You really captured your colours, your light orange skin, your orange hair, and your pink nose, mouth, and eyelids. Great job, Artie. It looks just like you.
Perfect. I think that one's going on the fridge.
It's the best.
Yeah.
We should definitely put that one on the fridge, guys. Well, little artists, we hope you enjoyed watching Artie Draw Artie. Come back tomorrow and learn how to draw something new. We hope you have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.